Good morning to you all. On the dais, Dr. Brajesh Pandeyji, Professor Anil Kothari, Professor Sudhir Baduria, Dr. Arvind Ranade, and Professor Apurva Kunarji. And also, it's an honor to have Shiv Kumarji, Praveen Ramdas and the directors of SPAs, all three SPAs, Professor Kailash Raoji, Professor B.K. Paulji, Professor Ramnathji, distinguished guests, esteemed parents, and my beloved students. It's given me immense pleasure to welcome you here at ISR Bhopal. Although it looks like you are coming for an exam, I saw some of the students are preparing outside, reading books. But what I feel, this is an opportunity and platform for interactions, exchange ideas, and make friendship. And that will take the country forward. I understand you are selected, only a handful of you among large pool of applications. Already you are here. You are the cream. The country needs you, and the future of country is in your hand. So, our Bharat, हमारा भारत एक श्रेष्ठ भारत बनेगा, and you are the one that are contributing towards that. तो अमर भारत, एक विकसित भारत हम लोग देखे हैं. During the COVID period, we are the one who produced vaccine and supplied to the 200 countries. And very recently, the India reached to the moon. We are the 4th country reached to the moon. But we reached very unique way. I really don't want to talk about the long story, but we are the unique, we reached the South Pole. And you see, this is today, the Bharat is Bikshit Bharat. If you go outside, you see every vendor has a UPI code. And all the transactions are happening with UPI code. India is no more behind. And even the rickshaw pullers can afford their cell phone. And India is the 4th largest economy right now. And my dear students, so therefore, here I would like to read it, the quote verbatim. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. Do not believe that you are half crazy lunatics, as most of us do nowadays. You can do anything and everything without even the guidance of anyone. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Who said that? Swami Vivekananda. So always it is fun to win. Winning is a fun, but success doesn't come that easy. What is the mantra? Mantras are, of course, your hard work, confidence, perseverance, and principles. If you want to shine like sun, you have to burn like sun. The goldsmith make ornaments. The gold bar has to give thousands and thousands of beating. Then only take shape. You know the story of diamond. Diamond is nothing but the carbon. The coal is also carbon. Diamond has to go through the tremendous pressure. Then only you get the diamond. If I talk about the story of pearl, the pearl is in oyster. The oyster has to go through the tremendous pain. Then only the pearls, you can have pearls. Very simple example, On the street, you see the sugar cane, the juice seller. Sugar only gives the sugar cane gives the juice only when it is pressed. So therefore, the students, nothing comes easy. It's you have to do hard work. Confidence, you have to have confidence. I don't want to take thousands of examples, but would like to tell you a small story. A young girl was traveling in an aeroplane, and the lots, of course, the other companions, regular companions, this plane all of a sudden in a tremendous turbulence, bad weather, but the girls continued to read the Harry Potter and giggling, but never uttered a single word. Others were crying, and finally the pilot managed to make an emergency landing, and still the girl is reading this Harry Potter and still giggling. The next person who said, "What do you want? Everybody is so afraid, but you are still giggling." So, sir, I have confidence. Do you know who is the pilot? Pilot is my father. I have confidence. The students, you have your father, you have guardians, you have the confidence. And you have to face the problem. Never run out. You never run, but you have to face the problem. And the small story, I don't want to talk about a lot of stories, but only another small story. Swami Vivekananda, who took a holy dip in the Ganges in Banaras, and then he was walking in a lonely path, and the dogs are chasing him. So he ran. He said dogs are also running behind him. So of course, as he is we say he is God, Bhagwan. Somebody told him, "Don't run, face." He took 180-degree turn and stood. The dogs also stood. He started chasing the dogs. Dogs all flee away. So then on what it says, that you never run away, but learn how to handle, how to face the problem. The problems are always there. You have to shake off the problem. You have to stand on the problem. You have to solve the problem. Very, very quickly, another story. A washerman, Dhobi, he has a donkey, and donkey in the evening he takes him to graze. One day he took him to graze, and all of a sudden he saw the donkey fell in a big pit, and he tried to rescue him, but he could not. And many times, but he could not. He loved the donkey so that he was afraid now he is going to lose the donkey. He is afraid that somebody else may come and they take away, or the donkey will die in hunger. So he decided to bury him alive. So what he started? He started, filling the dig in the dig with muds and all the stones available nearby. Every time muds come on these donkeys, on donkeys to shake, and all the mittis, all the muds, they come down, then donkeys stand on it. The time came, the dig was full, and the donkey came out. The Dhobi, he actually then took the donkey to his home. Why I'm telling you this story? Every time the problem will come on you, must you shake it off and stand on it. The perseverance, I'll take few examples. If India, after independence, produced one scientist, who is that? APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man. Do you know the story of this missile man? He wanted to become the Air Force pilot. You go to this just uphill there in, what do you call it, up a little bit up in Haridwar. Dehradun, right? Yeah, Mussoorie, wherever. there are only 10 seats. He came for examination, like competition, of course. There are only 10 seats. And for coming to that, up to that place, he had to sell his sister's bangle. He is not successful. He is ranked only 11th. He was sitting on the cleft of the river, and he had no other choice other than committing suicide. Shami Adhanand, right? Yeah, Nityanand comes in and tells him, "Bachcha, तुम्हारी क्या हुआ?" कहते, "स्वामी जी, मेरे और कोई रास्ता नहीं है other than committing suicide. Why I am failing so much? क्यों इतना फेल करे जा रहा हूँ?" बेटा let's talk about शाम को बात करते हैं, अभी चलो. Think about our sadhus. They took him, they took him, a Muslim boy inside his ashram. उनको समझाया, खाना खिलाया, नेक्स्ट डे पैसा दिया, घर जाओ बेटा. बोले, आप बताइए मुझे, मैं क्यों, भगवान मुझे क्यों इतना बार फेल करता है? He pat his back and said, तेरे लिए आगे बहुत कुछ बड़ा पड़ा हुआ है. So now we know who is APJ Abdul Kalam. Why I am telling you this story? That's because once you fail, that's not end. Every failure is your success. It's the pillar of success. You stand on it. Okay? So I can take hundreds of examples, like Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. Who was he? You all know that. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he attended only class looking at through window. I do not like to take the examples of British and the Westerners, but still there are few examples. As you know, Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, he was declared unteachable. He can't do any mathematics. You know who is Thomas Edison. Walt Disney was fired from bank. He couldn't do even the calculations. KFC's Colonel Sanders, he used to sleep in his car. He started his business at the age of 60. Michael Faraday, you know, he was the physicist. What he had gone through. So all I'm telling you, that's because of you need to have perseverance. You need to have that courage. Another small story, it's not a story, another example I'll take you. You have to have principle. Unless you have principle, you cannot. The success is, of course, related to principle. The Lord Rama, he is the Purushottam. So he went to, Banavas जा रहे थे for 12 years. Pura society, everybody wanted that, no, Ram cannot go, he has to come back. But he was standing on his principle. But Ram उस दिन लौट के आ जाता तो रामायण वही खत्म हो जाता. So that is what the principle, that principle you need. Janamat always may not be, you may have to ignore, but the principle you have to stand. Of course, another thing, humble and modesty. तो लंबा स्टोरी नहीं बताएंगे, but only thing, example I'll take it. जब हनुमान जी माता सीता के पास पहुँचे हैं, कैसे परिचय दिया? आज के दिन में देखो कि एनी डायरेक्टर, एनीबडी साइंटिस्ट, इस लंबा अपना डेजिग्नेशन लिखते हैं, FNA, FNSC, FSC, व्हाट नॉट, 3 पेज हो जाएगा. बट हनुमान जी, when he introduced himself to माता सीता, जो मैं राम जी का भक्त हूँ, ये कभी नहीं बोला जे मैं पवन दूत वायु का बेटा हूँ, मैं बचपन में तो सूरज को खा गया था, ये कभी नहीं बोला. Right? So you have to, one of my teachers used to say, more you grow up, you have to be more humble. Your humbleness, your modesty is the one. तो फॉर स्टूडेंट्स another the line I will utter, जब राम जी वनवास जा रहे थे, कौशल्या जी बहुत रोए। उसके बाद एक लाइन आपका आंखों में पानी ला देगा, मुझे भी लाता है। जो धर्म का रक्षा करता है वही धर्म तुझे रक्षा करेगा। इसके मतलब क्या है? आज यू आर द स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग यू डू ऑनेस्टली। वही वो जो तुम जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, जो एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हो, डू ऑनेस्टली, वही तुम्हें भविष्य में रक्षा करेगा। एंड दैट इज योर धर्म, वही धर्म तुम्हें रक्षा करेगा। तो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं इतना ही बोलता हूँ। बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम हियर, आई एम हेडिंग द इंस्टीट्यूशन, सो आई हैव टू टेल ए स्मॉल थिंग ऑल्सो फॉर द पेरेंट्स। ये भी एक थोड़ा सा स्टोरी है। तो राम जी पहली बार जब चित्रकूट पर्वत में पहुँचे, तो जब पहुँचने के बाद वन देवी आए, प्रभु आप पधारे हैं, तो आपके लिए मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ। कहते तो वो तो फल मूल खा लेंगे, बाकी बात बाद में होगी। एक काम करो, मैं जिस रास्ते से आया हूँ ना, उस रास्ते से बहुत सारे कांटे हैं, उसको आप हटा दो। बोले भगवान जी आप तो पहुँच गए, आप अभी क्यों हटा दूँ? कहते नहीं हटा दो, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ मुझे खोजते हुए मेरे छोटे भाई भरत इसी रास्ते में आएगा। तो उन्होंने बोलते जी आपके छोटे भाई इतना नाजुक है, जो एक छोटा कांटे आपको उनको तंग करेगा। बोले बात वो नहीं है। नेक्स्ट वन लाइन आपका आंखों में ये पानी ला देगा। वो बोलता है जो भरत जिस रास्ते में आएगा वो तो शक्तिशाली है, वो बहुत ये स्ट्रांग है, लेकिन एक भी कांटे छुप जाए वो सोचेगा मेरे कारण मेरे भाई को इतना कष्ट पहुंचाना पड़ा, इसीलिए आप जाओ आप वहाँ से कांटे हटा दो। और उधर से भरत जी भी चल रहा था, स्टार्ट किया था। तो सब लोग बोले भाई तुम खाली पैर में क्यों चल रहे हो, चप्पल पहनो। बोले नहीं, मैं इस रास्ते में चलना चाहता हूँ, मेरे बड़े भाई इस रास्ते से गुजरा, इसका फीलिंग मैं लेना चाहता हूँ। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू द स्टोरी। आप भारत आगे बढ़ रहा है, वी आर गोइंग टू लीड द वर्ल्ड, वी आर द वन विच इज शोइंग द पार्ट भारत, एक भारत, महान भारत, श्रेष्ठ भारत। इसके लिए आगे जितना कांटे आपने सहा, जितना कांटे रास्ते में था, वो सारे कांटे हटा दीजिए। हमारी जो यंगस्टर बच्चे उनको आगे बढ़ने दीजिए, यही आपसे प्रार्थना है। वंस अगेन थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एट होप यू विल एंजॉय आईएसआर भोपाल। हमारी द इंस्टीट्यूशन बहुत सारे फैसिलिटीज़ है, आपको समय मिले तो प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक इन आवर फैसिलिटीज़। थैंक यू।